You've got text, a blog post, a script, a summary, and you want to turn it into a full video. With stock footage, subtitles, background music, voiceovers, the whole package. Sounds like it'd take hours, right? Not with Pictory. Today, I'll show you how to turn plain text into high-quality, ready-to-post videos using Pictory AI, and more importantly, how to make money doing it. Pictory is an AI video generator that turns text into fully edited videos in minutes. You don't need editing skills, you don't need stock footage or music libraries. Just paste your script, and the AI does the rest. Here's how it works. Go to Pictory.ai and sign up. On the dashboard, choose Script to Video. Paste your text. This could be a blog article, a newsletter, a podcast script, or even ChatGPT content. Once you click Generate, Pictory breaks it into scenes and finds matching visuals for each line of text. It adds royalty-free stock footage, transitions, music, and subtitles automatically. You can customize everything. 1. Change the video style and format, landscape, square, or portrait. 2. Swap visuals with one-click. 3. Add AI voiceovers or upload your own form. Edit the captions and branding, and in just a few minutes, your video is ready to download and post. So how do you make money with this? Start with content repurposing. Offer a service to bloggers, coaches, YouTubers, or online businesses. Turn their written content into engaging videos for YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Charge $50 to $300 per video, depending on the length and extras like voiceovers or branding. Here's another. Create faceless YouTube channels. Pick a niche like motivation, tech, money tips, or health. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, then plug those into Pictory to create full videos. Post consistently, grow the channel, and monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or digital products. You can even sell video packs on Etsy or Gumroad, like motivational reels or narrated affirmations, all created with Pictory and AI voices. Want to take it further? Run a content automation agency. Use ChatGPT to write content, Pictory to turn it into videos, and schedule them with tools like Buffer or Metricool. This is exactly what busy influencers and business owners are looking for. Content done for you with zero effort on their end. And here's the best part. You can create multiple videos per day. Without filming, without editing, and without showing your face. AI handles the hard part. You handle the smart part. Pictory is not just a video tool, it's a content creation engine. All you need is text and an internet connection. So if you're serious about building an online income stream with AI, Pictory should be in your toolbox. Subscribe for more AI money-making strategies, and in the next video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to create digital products and systems that sell themselves. See you in the next one.